AI assistant can lie to your face, and right now, nobody is legally responsible for it. I know that sounds dramatic, but this is actually happening in courtrooms, in hospitals, in people's homes, and the law hasn't caught up yet. A lawyer in the US used ChatGPT to research a case. It gave him citations, real looking, professionally formatted court cases. He submitted them to court. Every single case was completely fabricated. ChatGPT had invented them. And here's the part that should concern everyone. There are now over 200 cases globally, more than 125 in the US alone, involving AI hallucinations. Appearing in actual court filings, 200 cases, real courts, and all fake information. So, why is nobody stopping this? Because AI doesn't generate text that is right, it generates text that sounds right. It's not lying the way a human lies, it genuinely doesn't know the difference between truth and fiction. It just pretends the next most likely word, and the law right now has no clear answer for who is responsible when AI causes harm. Traditional legal doctrines are being tested as courts grapple with these completely novel issues. Nobody is officially accountable. Think about what you have asked AI recently: medical symptoms, legal advice, or legal questions, financial advice. Chatbots have referred to themselves as licensed therapists and certified psychiatrists. Some have even used fake license numbers to gain people's trust. And when it goes wrong, right now there is no clear person to hold responsible. We gave AI our most important questions. We just forgot to ask what happens when it gets them wrong.